Built-in system suitability tests with intelligent run control take automated, in-sequence pass and or fail actions based on the actual chromatographic results. Test criteria and pass-fail actions are user-definable. This minimizes analytical errors and improves efficiency with more right first-time analysis. An example of intelligent run control, IRC, reinjecting when an SST fails. In this processing method there are several tests. One is the RSD of peak areas. To edit, double-click, and you can edit the criteria if necessary, including the fail actions, in this case a reinjection of the QC samples. Save the changes. The sequence is running. And at the end of the injection, if the SSD fails, IRC inserts the reinjections and continues the sequence. The data can also be viewed in the interactive results. IRC gives you more right first-time analysis.